So today I'm going to walk you through how to send voice notes on your iPhone. Super easy process. What we first need to do is open up a message that we want to send a voice message in. So I'm just going to open up a blank one just to show you how to set up the voice message. What we need to do is hit this plus sign over here and open up this little side menu. And in this menu, we're going to go to audio, and you can see that it's automatically going to start recording. It's picking up my voice right now. And when you're done recording, you're just going to hit this stop icon. And then from here, you can just hit play if you need to check the message. So exactly what I just said. And when you're done, you'll just hit this little arrow here. I don't have anybody to send this to. So, but this is how you'll send it. Now, once you send it, the receiver can choose to keep it or not. If they do, it will stick inside of your message instead of disappearing. So yeah, quick and easy video here on how to do the voice message. I hope this helped. If you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.